Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. This is a list of top
automotive interior coolers, refrigerators.
If you found this list helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like this video to continue making more top 10 videos. Also turn notification on to get latest videos uploaded.
The cooling function lowers the internal temperature approximately 36 degrees Fahrenheit below the ambient temperature, which makes it cold enough to store food when using at room temperature. The heating mode brings the internal temperature to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. It transfers heat energy between the top and the bottom of the lid using 40 watts of 12 volts DC. The inside of the lid has a fan to circulate cold or hot air. Inside the cable compartment has the mode/power switch. The lid has an O-ring to help keep the unit efficient. The cable on this unit has a long reach, which allows you to keep it anywhere in your vehicle's cabin. The lid removes and installs quickly so you can wash it out easily. For solo trips, I keep the cooler on the passenger floor. If someone's riding shotgun, it can be set in the back seat area. On the day-to-day, I keep water in it so that I can keep hydrated while I'm on duty. It's plenty of room for two 100-ounce bladders and a 64-ounce Nalgene, along with snacks and other food that needs to be cold. The lid has an O-ring to help keep the unit efficient. On the passenger floor. So that's the 24-liter food fridge and food. If you guys have any comments or
to using an electric refrigerator freezer as opposed to using a cooler. You never have to buy ice, and you never have that melted ice water in the bottom of the cooler to get your food wet, to bring our lunch and our cold beverages with us. We could even see using this, it'd be perfect on a boat.
Breathe now.
Enjoy a warm snack or a cool beverage under the sun with the Ivation 24L Thermoelectric Cooler and Warmer. This compact dual-function container keeps your food hot or cold whenever you want. Whether you are at a picnic or barbecue, take comfort knowing your hot food will stay warm and cold drinks will stay cool in this easy-to-carry unit. Power on this versatile cooler with the built-in AC power cord or DC adapter for home or car use. Then, simply flip the switch on top of the unit to heat up or cool down the interior compartment. Spend time hiking, fishing, swimming, playing sports, and more, then settle down for mealtime with fresh, delicious food and drinks. With the built-in carry handle and lightweight design, bringing this cooler on any trip or to any outdoor event is no hassle at all. The unit is also energy efficient. Leave it plugged in to reach an optimal temperature, then take it with you anywhere and have everything packed inside stay hot or cold for hours. 4L Thermoelectric Cooler and Warmer. This compact dual-function container, you are at a picnic or hot food will stay warm unit. Power on this versatile cooler cord or DC adapter for home or car use. Then, spend time hiking, playing sports, and more. Then, with the built-in carry handle and lightweight design or to any outdoor, the unit is also energy efficient anywhere and have everything packed inside stay hot or cold for hours.